Welcome back to Spell and Math Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about the external angle theorem. If you like today's tutorial, please like it, subscribe, and or share it. And what we're going to do here is we're going to solve for x, and we're going to check the answer that we come up with. Here we have an external angle, which is 11x plus 9. We have a linear pair here where this angle here is unknown. We're going to disregard that for a moment. We're going to use the other two angles here and set those equal to the the sum of those two angles equal to the external angle. So here we have 6x plus 6, and we have the plus 58, and then we're going to just use some basic algebra to combine like terms. So we're going to rewrite the 6x, and then we have 6 plus 58, which turns out to be 64, and then we have 11x plus 9. Going to gather our x's to the left hand side, so we're going to subtract 6x from both sides to end up with 5x plus 9 is equal to 64, and then we're going to subtract 9 from both sides, so we have 5x is equal to, well, 64 minus 9 is going to give us 55, and then we're going to divide both sides by 5, and here we see that x is 11. Now we're going to take this x value of 11 and substitute that back into these other expressions. So let's change the color here, and we're going to say 6 times 11, because that's the x there, plus 6. So here we have 66 plus 6. Well, 66 plus 6 turns out to be 72. So we know this angle here is 72. I'll write that on the outside. This angle here is 58. And let's solve this one. Let's solve this expression here, the external angle. So here we have 11 times 11 plus 9. Well, 11 times 11 is 121. Plus that 9 gives us 130. So this external angle here is 130. So we're expecting this angle here to be 50 because we have a linear pair, and we know a linear pair adds up to 180. So let's test that to make sure that, or let's check that to make sure that works out. So we have 72 plus the 58 plus the 50. Those are the angles inside of a triangle, and those should add up to 180. Well, 50 plus 58 is 108. And then 108 plus the 72, well, that there is in fact 180 degrees. So here we have checked and verified that the value of x is 11. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, please like it, share it, and or subscribe to our channel. And as always, thank you for watching.